One person was injured after army allegedly opened fire in Bijbehara area of South Kashmir's Anantnag district today. Reports said that army opened fire following altercation between soldiers and civilians over the thrashing of a youth. The injured was identified as 60-year-old Muhammad Abdullah Ganai, who was shifted to a Srinagar hospital for specialized treatment. According to reports, passer-by including Delhi staged a protest after army men thrashed a scooty rider in Goriwan area. Ganai is a resident of Hasanpura village of Avani area of the district. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850, 2468501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.